Children. Now we go for divisions. Division. Okay, in that exercise 2.10, there are some division problems. Division of a 4-digit number. Division of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Okay, this is the model. Divide the following. Some problems are there. So, okay, of them I will teach you some problems. It will be help of that. You can practice the remaining some section. You see children under the section A, divide the following. Okay. Here 4-digit numbers are to be divided by a single digit. That means 1-digit number. Okay. 4-digit number is given for you. You take this 4-digit number and divide by a 1-digit number. Stepwise. First of all, first to be here 9th question. See, divide the following. 2589 divided by 8. This is the question. 2589 divided by 8. First of all, you show the actual division. You see 2589 divided by 8 divided by 8. Here 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Remainder is 5 minus 4, 1. Now from the dividend, bring down 8. From the dividend, bring down 8. Now you see how many times in 18? 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. What is the remainder? 8 minus 6 is 2. 18 minus 16 means 2. Now from the dividend, bring down 9. Bring down 9. How many times? Here 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 30. That's why 4 times only. 8 4s are 32. That means more we are getting. That's why 8 3 times. 3 times you take. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. What is the remainder? 5 is the remainder. R stands for remainder. This is quotient. This is divisor. This is dividend. This is dividend. This is quotient. So, in the step 1, what you did? Units times 100 thousands. Okay. Thousands place 2 is there. Okay. 8 can't divide 2. That's why you take 25. 25 is a greater number. Okay, na? That's why in 25 we divide with here 25 is divided with 8. 25 is divided with 8. How many times? 3 times. 8 3s are how much? 24. That's why, yeah, 3 times we write. In the step 1, how many times we write? 8 3s are 20. Subtract 25 minus 20 is equal to how much? 1. So like this, divide and subtract. Divide and subtract. Now in the step 2, 8 is bring down. Bring down 8. Bring down 8. Then number is, then number, that means the next dividend. The next dividend. What is the next dividend? 18. What is the next dividend? 18. Now divide 18 and subtract. Divide 18 and subtract. How many times here? 2 times. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Subtract. 18 minus 16. 2. 18 minus 16, 2. Now in step 3, bring it down 9. Bring it down 9. Bring it down 9. Then the number is, then the number. That means next dividend. Next dividend. Okay. Then what is the next dividend? 29. What is the next dividend? Now divide and subtract. Divide 29. Divide 29. With what? 8. How many times? How many times? 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32 more. That's why 3 times. 3 times 10. Okay. That's why here 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. What is the remainder? 5. All the digits taken from the dividend. All the digits were brought down over. That's why here 29 divided by 8 means 3 times I go to 23 are 28, 3 are 24, remainder is 5. This is the process. This is the process. Okay, children. So here from 29, what is subtracted? 24 subtracted. That is equal to 5. This is the remainder. Like this, we show the division by single digit number. Here 4-digit number is the division divided by a single digit number. Like this. Okay, children. Now come to another question. What is that? 4,000 divided by 5. See, children, that one.